Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the NSFW content on Reddit so you don't see any explicit images and they will be filtered out. Now, it's very easy. The first thing that you need to do, what you probably will do, is open up the Reddit application, go to the top right corner and search into the settings. Now, in these Reddit settings, there's nothing you can do about NSFW content. There's some stuff in the account settings right here. As you can scroll down here, you can see that sensitive advertising is allowed. But what we need to do, we need to go inside a other settings tab, the Apple settings tab, the iOS settings tab. So simply search for the settings on your phone. And from out here, we want to scroll down till we see the search bar. Now here, open up Reddit, as you can see right here. And from out there, scroll all the way down till you see the Reddit settings. And here we can show NSFW content. And if I turn this lever off here, it's grayed out. I won't be seeing any NSFW content. Now here, simply turn the blur as images off as well. Now everything will be turned off. Now from out there, you won't see any explicit content anymore. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.